Good morning, all of you. How are you all? That we all are hoping that you all are very much fine at your homes. Okay. Yes. So today we will start new chapter. Today we will start new chapter. Chapter number 2. Our food. Chapter number 2. Our food. Okay. Our food. Our food means what? Our food means हमारा खाना. So in this chapter we will learn how many things we have to eat. In this chapter we will learn how many things we have to eat. हमारा खाना कैसा होना चाहिए. Which type of food we have to eat in our daily life. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn basically two things. We are going to learn basically two things. First one is different sources of food and second one is different group of foods. So in this we will learn first different sources of food. Okay, see dear students, in your previous classes, in class 1 and class 2, class 1 you will learn about the food. Okay, and only the things which you learnt in that class is that there are three types of food. I am talking about the class 1. Okay, I am talking about the class 1. Then I will talk about the class 2. Then we will come on this chapter, because in this you are having the series. You are having the series, so you can understand nicely. Okay, when you was in class 1, you then only you learnt about the food. तभी भी आपने सीखा था कि food क्या है और कैसा. ठीक है, तभी भी आपने क्लास 1 में भी सीखा था. But you learnt only few things in class 1. But you learnt only few things in class 1. First one is the category of the persons, like vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Okay, and the category of the food. Okay, so in class 1 you learnt about who are the vegetarian person, who are the non-vegetarian person. Okay, and about the junk food. We always avoid to eat junk food and all. When you was in class 2, then only you learnt about the food also. Okay, but when you was in class 2, then you learnt about the balanced diet and the category of the food. Balanced diet, importance of the balanced diet first, and the category of the food. When you was in class 2, that time you learnt about the different kinds of food and importance of the balanced diet. These two things you learnt when you was in class 2, and you will how we will eat and why we will eat different kinds of food. In that category you learnt about the energy giving food, then you learnt about the bodybuilding food, and you learnt about the protective food, and then you learnt about the importance of the balanced diet and from where we are getting the food and all. Okay, but here in class 3 you are going to learn our food, and in that lesson you will learn mainly two types of things. Mainly two types of things. First one is different sources of food. First one is different sources of food. Okay, then you will learn about the different group of food. Then you will learn about the different groups of food. Okay, so we will start with the chapter number 2, our food. See, the meaning of food you already knows well. Okay, when we will feel hungry, we eat food. When we will feel hungry, we eat food. And food gives us what? Food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play. If you don't have energy, how you can play? If you don't have energy, how your mama can work? Okay, so food gives us what? Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, and food gives us one more thing. Food making us growing up well. Yes, see dear students, now you all are in growing up age. आप बढ़ते उम्र के बच्चे हैं. So you need more healthy food. You need more, what I can say, you need more food, more energy rather than the us. Okay, why? Because you all are a growing up child, and when you will eat healthy food, then you will grow up nicely. When you will eat healthy food, then you will grow up nicely. So this is the introduction of your chapter R, food. So this is the introduction of the food. Okay, what is food? When we will feel hungry, we all eat food, and food gives us what? Food gives us energy to work and play. See dear students, why I am repeating the thing again and again for you? Because you are not in the classroom. Okay, so if you have any problem, then you will, how you can consult with me. That's why I am repeating the things again and again, so you can learn easily or understand nicely. So we will start this chapter R, food, and first one I am going to read this sources of food. Your first thing is sources of food. So what is the meaning of source? Source means what? Please, first whenever we will start the lesson, we have to understand the meanings of the heading. Okay, source of food. What is source? Source means sadhan. In Hindi, we call sadhan. Okay, sources of food. How we can get the sources of the food? So, line number 1 I am reading for you. Dear students, I have one request to you all. When you will watch this video, then you will keep book with you and pencil is in your hand. Okay, when you will watch this video, then keep book, EVS book with you and take the pencil in your hand, and whatever I am telling you, please make it underline. Okay, the things which I am going to tell you to make the underline, then you will make the underline that things immediate. Okay, so sources of food. Source means what? Source means sadhan. In Hindi we called sadhan. कहाँ से मिलता है खाना? From where we are getting the food? So we are getting the food from two things. First one is plant and second one is animals. Yes. So sources of food. Sources of food. So how we can get the food? So we can get the food from plants and animals. See, these are the main sources of the food. Okay, so the major The major sources of food is number 1 plants and number 2 animals. Okay, so sources of food means साधन, हमको कहाँ से खाना मिलता है? तो हमको खाना मिलता है मेनली इन दो चीज़ों से। नंबर 1 है प्लांट, नंबर 2 एनिमल्स। पहले नंबर पर आता है ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड नंबर सेकंड पे आते हैं एनिमल्स। ओके, सो now I am hoping that you are understanding. There are the major source of the foods are two. First is plant, second is animal. The major sources of food is number 1 all types of plants and the animals. This is the definition of the sources of food. Okay, the major sources of food is plants and animals. Don't forget this. The sources of food is plants and the animals. Now we will read this part. We will read this part. Food from plant. Food from plant. Now we are going to read about this. Food from plants. अब हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे, उस खाने के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है। फूड फ्रॉम प्लांट मीन्स अब हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे, उस खाने के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्लांट से मिलता है। Okay, food from plants. In this, plants are the major sources of the food. What is written in your book? It is very much written in your book that plants are a major source of food. Yes, it is very much correct. We eat all the parts of plants. Yes, it is also very much correct. We eat all the parts of a plant. Okay, what is written over here? The major source plants are the major source of food. Yes, all types of plants are the big sources of the food. सबसे ज़्यादा खाना हमें प्लांट से ही मिलता है। हर तरह का, हर टाइप का खाना हमें प्लांट से मिलता है। All types of food we are getting from the plant only, and we human are eating all parts of the plant, and we all are eating all parts of plant. Okay, we human beings are eating all parts of plants. See, we are eating fruits, we are eating roots also, and we are eating we are eating leaves also. See, all the leafy vegetables, what we are eating? We are eating the leaves only, na? It means we are eating all types of or all parts of the plant. See, when we are eating carrot, we are eating radish, we are eating potatoes. Okay, these all are the roots of a plant. We are eating, but we are eating. And when we will eat leafy part of the plant, see, we are eating, when we are eating leafy vegetables like methi, palak, coriander, mint and all, it means we are eating what? We are eating leaves. Okay, when we are eating sugar cane is also the root part of the plant. Okay, when we are eating peas, matar, when we are eating corn, bhutta, it is the part of the plant. It means we human beings are eating all parts of plant. We humans are eating all parts of plant. Okay, so it is very much correct. It is very much written over here in the book. Plant are a major source of food. All types of plants or maximum number of the plants are the major source. सबसे बड़ा साधन है किस चीज का? खाने का. And we eat all parts of the plant. We human beings, हम इंसान जितने भी parts होते हैं plants के, we all are eating all types of plants. Okay. Number one, roots. Number one, roots. अब in this category, only two things are written over here. Okay. Carrot and radish. Carrot and radish. Okay, first I will read this. First is roots. In this category we can eat radish and carrot. See, radish and carrot, this is the root of the plant. This is the root of the plant, but we are eating. Okay, and in this category, during winter season you are eating garadus. When you will go in Navgrah fair, that time maximum number of the students are eating garadu. भैया जरा गरम गरम पापा मुझे गराड़ू खाना है, मुझे आप गराड़ू की शॉप पे ले चलो. तो गराड़ू इज ऑल्सो दी पार्ट ऑफ दी प्लांट. इट इज द रूट. ओके, सो कैरेट एंड रेडिश. देन नंबर टू, स्टेम. देन नंबर टू, स्टेम. पोटैटो, जिंजर एंड शुगर कैन. पोटैटो, जिंजर एंड sugar cane. So we are eating all these. We are eating all these things. We are eating potatoes. Yes, we love stuffed paratha of potato. आलू का पराठा हम सबको अच्छा लगता है. And we all are eating ginger also. When you will feel with cough and cold, that time some mamas will give you the small pieces of this ginger with the शहद. ओके, अदरक और शहद का जो जूस होता है, some mamas are giving you. Okay, then we sugar cane. Yes, we are drinking the juice of sugar cane, especially in the summer season. Okay, so this is the roots is the also part of the plant, and stem also the part of the plant. Then leaves. Then the leaves. In this category, Spanish, fenugreek, mint and coriander. Yes, I talked about all these things. Leafy vegetable. Okay, leafy vegetable means हरी पत्तेदार सब्जियां. Leafy vegetable means हरी पत्तेदार सब्जियां. In this category, all types of leafy vegetables are coming like coriander, mint, fenugreek, Spanish, palak, methi. In Hindi we call palak, methi, pudina and hara dhania. So we are eating this part of also. And then the seeds. Seeds means the seed means what? Seed means the beach. Okay. In this category we are eating corn, rice, wheat, oats, peas and pulses. Yes, this category is quite long. This category is quite long. In this category we are eating corn, rice, wheat, oats, peas and pulses. Now the next category is fruits. Next category is fruits. Fruit means the part of the plant. Okay, in this category we are eating all types of fruits. Okay, like apple, mango, banana, custard apple and all. And the flower is the beautiful part of a plant. Flower is the beautiful part of a plant. In this category we are eating cauliflower and broccoli. Okay, now next break. In this category we are eating cinnamon. In this category in Hindi we call this dal chini. In this we can call dal chini. So this is all about the explanation of sources of food. Okay, I will draw the picture for you so you can understand it nicely. So you can understand this nicely. Okay, sources of food. In this category we are learning about the plants. See, suppose I am making the picture of a plant. Okay, I am making the picture of the plant. Okay, why I am making this? See, this is not the picture of a particular plant. We will talk about the every parts of the plant. We will talk about the every parts of the plant. Okay. So you can understand it nicely. See, I am making you to understand कि everything of every part of the plant we humans are eating. Every part of the plants we human are eating. Suppose this is the picture of the carrot. Okay, this is the picture of the carrot. And see, this is the root of the plant. We are getting carrots and radish from the roots. जड़ों से मिलती है ये सारी सब्जियां. But we are eating. It means we are eating what? We are eating the roots of the. We are eating the roots, and roots is the sources of the food. Roots is also the source of the food. Are you understanding what I am trying to say? मैं आपको ये बताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि ये जो प्लांट है, ओके, इस प्लांट में ये जो रूट्स हैं, इन रूट्स को भी ह्यूमंस आर ईटिंग. ये जो रूट्स हैं इनमें से भी सब्जियां होती हैं और हम इन्हें खाते हैं और दे आर वेरी हेल्दी. They are very much healthy. Okay, see, this is the part of the root we are eating. We are eating in the form of carrot and radish. Now we will talk about this stem. This is the part of the plant, stem, and we are eating this stem. In the form of potato, ginger and sugar cane. Stem. This is the stem of the plant, and we are eating the potato, ginger and the sugar cane in the form of stem. Okay, in the form of stem we are getting the potato, ginger and the sugar cane. And now comes on the leaf part. Okay, leaf part means we are talking about the leaves, leafy vegetable, leafy vegetable. In this vegetable, in this category, we are eating the Spanish fenugreek, mint, and coriander. See, in this category we are eating the Spanish fenugreek, mint and coriander. It means we are eating the part of the plant in form of the vegetable. It means we are eating the part of the plant leaves in the form of these types of leafy vegetables. Okay. Then comes on the part of the seeds. Okay. In this category we are eating the corn and the peas and wheat also. This is the part of the plant and we are eating in the form of corn, peas and wheat. Okay, then comes on fruits. So this is the part of the plant, fruits, and we are eating all types of fruit in various, and we are getting from various plants. Okay, like apple, mango, custard apple, banana and all. Okay, then comes on flowers and we are eating this part of the plant as like cauliflower. Okay, cauliflower is the part of the plant. So we are eating this part of the plant also. Then the bark. इसमें जो इस पार्ट में सिनेमम आता है, is that the दालचीनी, we called दालचीनी in Hindi. Here place is not proper, so I can't explain you this part. Okay, this part called the bark. Okay, so this is the explanation of the sources of food. This is the explanation of the sources of food, and main source of the foods are two types. First one is all types of plant and second is animals. In this category we humans are eating all the parts of the plants. We are eating roots, we are eating stem, we are eating leaves, we are eating fruits, we are eating flowers. Okay, so we humans are eating all the parts of the plant in the form of vegetables, and fruits, and the seeds. Okay, so we humans are eating all parts of the plants in the form of leaves, stem, roots, flowers and the seeds. Okay, so today we learned about the food. Food gives us what? Food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, and sources of food. In this category we learnt all type of sources. Mainly there are two major sources of food. First one is plants and second one is animals. And the category of plants we learnt about the all parts of plants. We humans are eating all the parts of the plants in the form of root, stem, leaves, seeds, fruits, flowers and all. Okay, so this is the explanation of this part, and now we will meet tomorrow with this, and now I will make you understand food from animals. So this is over from my side. Today's class is over. When you will read this, when you will watch this video, then keep with EVS book with you and pencil in your hand and make the important parts underline. Okay, so Stay home, stay safe, don't go out. If you want to go out, it is very urgent to you, then wear this mask. Okay, bye.